song is called Youth of the Nation. It's about uncontrollable circumstances. It's about unification. And it's about promise, hope. If you know it, sing along.